Hello everyone, this is Vivek Anand, Assistant Professor, Tirthankar Mahavir University. We are just going to discuss an important aspect under the subject auditing, that is CART, Computer Assisted Audit Techniques. Actually, CART is the most important part of audit under the electronic data processing. So CART is very important in the field of audit under CIS environment, because these are the basic tools on the basis of which a auditor can go for a better or effective audit performance. So in the topic CART, we will discuss about the introduction part of CART, the meaning, definition, and how to CART work in the audit process. Then we will discuss various types of the CART and advantages and disadvantages of CARTs, and some examples of CART tools is also there, and what factors influencing the auditors when he is using the CART under the audit process and impact on accounting. So let me start from the introduction part. Yes, most business and organizations have started incorporating information technology in their financial statement. Financial statement means balance sheet, profit and loss account, and cash flow statement, and other statement or documents that is a part of books of accounts. These systems have become more efficient and effective as a result. Apart from financial system, IT is prevalent in all business areas, whether they are purchasing, sales, investment, marketing, and other areas. While this has made many processes much more simplistic, it has also introduced some challenges. One such challenge applies to auditors and their work. Auditors deal with information in many different forms. Whether that information relates to accounting area, assurance area, compliance, or consulting, the form has become digital. Therefore, auditors need to adapt their system to incorporate this information. In the audit field, auditors can use computer assisted audit techniques to make the process simplistic, because these tools help an auditor to involve in the actual processing of the transactions, so that they can go for their audit work in a very effective manner. So for the meaning, computer assisted audit techniques, simply mentioned as CARTs, CAAT, includes tools used by auditor during their work, during their audit procedure, during their audit work. These tools help or allow auditors to receive data in any form and analyze it better, in a better way. CARTs include various methods that can help auditors in many ways. For example, auditor can use them to identify trends or single out or anomalies in the provided information. These tools are available for both external and internal audit uses. In conclusion, CARTs refers to the use of technology in auditing. Technology in auditing. Using these tools, auditors can assess several aspects of their audit engagement. Whether it is evaluating the client's internal control or extracting specific information, CARTs can be significantly valuable. While some people assume CARTs apply to large audits only, these tools are beneficial in any size. CARTs have become beneficial in all audit fields. For example, these tools are common in forensic audit. For complex analysis, CARTs can boost the productivity and efficiency of auditors. Traditionally, auditors spend most of their time analyzing data, interpreting with data. With card, with cards, they don't have to take the same time. Instead, they can focus on other more prominent audit matters. So as far as meaning concern about the cards, it may be said that cards are the techniques that used by the auditor during the audit doing in a computerized accounting system. These are the computer rating programs that auditor use to make better their audit assignment work. It is the sense of definition of card. Computer assisted audit techniques can be defined as the tools used by auditor during their work when dealing with the bulk of data. Actually, card help to the auditor to deal a large number of data available in the books of accounts of the client. So cards are the auditing methods involving computer software tools for analyzing business data and reporting to enhance the audit scope and transparency. Auditor can look into different aspects of the audit engagement with the help of these card tools. For example, the trends or anomalies can be easily highlighted. Frauds and error can be easily finded with the application of cards on the data availability, on the data sets. So, in other words, we can say that card would be appropriate to say that card include the use of technology in auditing. When we want to concise the meaning and definition of card, then we can say that the card are the techniques used by the auditors in their work when dealing with the bulk of data. Or it would be appropriate to say regarding the card that card include the use of technology in auditing. Use of technology in auditing. There are various techniques of cards, various types of card tools available. So, types of cards. Computer assisted audit techniques have main 4 types. That is test data, audit software, integrated test facilities, and embedded audit softwares. Actually, among these 4, only 2 are used repeatedly or commonly by the auditors for doing their audit assignment work. So, we will emphasize on the first 2 tools, that is test data and audit software, and we will discuss some less in comparison to main first and second regarding the integrated test facilities and embedded audit software. So, but if someone says that there are only 2 type of card tools, then he may be appropriate because the rest 3 and 4 are not using repeatedly or commonly by the auditor. So what is exactly prevailing in the market? What is exactly commonly, regularly or repeatedly used by the auditor is only the first 2, that is test data and audit software. So let me start to discuss about one by one. First is test data. Test data is first technique or type of card tools that involve testing a client's system. What we are doing with the help of test data, just analyzing or examining or testing the client's system. The auditor use dummy information set and enter them into the client system. The dummy testing is executed in a controlled setting to keep other areas of an audit unaffected. Only the particular area are used to test the data set. What is the purpose behind it? The purpose of test data is to get insight into the internal control procedure in the information technology system of a business. Test data are programs that used by the auditor to test the internal control procedure of the information technology system of the client's business. The test data used for a particular area, they will not affect the entire audit process or entire audit area. If we talk about what makes a successful test data, it has to include mixed data, the one with error and the one without error. Error in the data can be of the following types. Codes like customer, supplier, employee, etc. are missing from the data. And the second one is include transactions that exceed predetermined rates. For example, salaries above contracted amounts, more credit sales than agreed upon limits. Arithmetical errors of overstating, understating, etc. in invoices. Data submission with incorrect batch controls. So it is the choice of auditor to use the test data to run the test data during the normal operational cycle or at a specific point outside the normal operating cycle. The downside of live test data is that is can interrupt the system and affect master file. On the other hand, the dead testing does not show the strains a system might encounter during normal operation. So in test data tool or test data technique, auditor use the computer written program, enter in the client's business information system for checking the internal control procedure, that whether they are performing in a sequence or a positive or right way or not. And this test data technique, auditor use only a particular area of audit area. It will not affect the other area. So this is the first type of test data that provide the information that whether the information system of client is in proper process or no. Second is audit software. Audit software is second aspect of computer assisted audit techniques. It includes the use of software for data processing and analysis of large number of data. Without CART, the auditor was supposed to manually perform the data analysis on large groups. It would easily eat up most of the time and increase the probability of errors. So without CART, auditor cannot do the better performance of his audit assignment in a CIS environment. So it is very much beneficial to use the CART tool. The purpose of audit software here is an interrogate the client's system. It looks into the discrepancies and analyze different patterns visible in the system. Audit software not only save the auditors from insufficient manual work, but also gives more accurate result than that can be investigated in written. Audit software can be off the shelf, packaged or customized for the specific client system. Means it may be prepared as per the requirement of the customer. It may be a package available in market, or it may be built in-house by the business itself. So audit software are the techniques These are the softwares which are available in the market or built by the business or prepared as per the requirement of the client for the audit purpose. So these are computer rating programs named as software, and they help to save the time of auditor and prevention from the inefficiency or time consuming complexity of calculation or analysis. So in audit software, the procedure that can be performed with audit software includes calculation of ratio and selection of indicators failing to meet predetermined benchmark, extraction of samples based on the benchmark, like categorizing transactions over a certain limit, below a certain limit, relating to certain date, stratifying data based on variable like age, customers, area, pattern, etc. Preparation of financial reports like budget, comparison of the budget with actual figures. And fifth is trace transactions through the computerized system. So these are the procedures that can be performed by the audit software in the process of audit assignment by auditor. If auditor use the audit software to do the audit in CISI environment, then with the help of audit software, he can go for all these processes to analyze the client's system. So main type of CART is test data audit software, and the secondary or other or the less usable by the auditor are integrated test facilities and embedded software. Now the third and fourth. Third, integrated test facilities. Integrated test facilities are like test data, including preparing fake lasers for recording different data sets. As a result, the effectiveness of test data procedures can be enhanced, and even live test data has fewer chances to interrupting the system. So integrated test facilities is also a good type of CART tool, but less important in comparison to test data and audit software. Now the fourth type of CART tools is embedded audit software. Embedded audit software is related to the basic technique of audit software, where customized written software is used for a client system. Where customized written software is used for a client system. The program is custom designed for performing certain tasks. The embedded audit software can be turned on or off according to the auditor's need for data collection. It's what differentiate audit software and embedded audit software. So these four are the main types of CART tools that are used by the auditor during his audit assignment. But out of these four, only two are most important. First, test data. Second is audit software. Now we discuss about advantages of CARTs. There are many benefits to the auditor in their audit assignment with the help of CARTs. Some of we will going to discuss. The benefit of using CART in audit program are as follows. The auditors can process the voluminous data, analyze a system's internal controls and report precisely and rapidly. So what is the main advantage of CAST is to analyze or use the large number of data for observation, for the examination of internal control, making a report in a quick time duration. Second, the common computer assisted techniques like test data and audit software are also cost effective and time efficient. Both the techniques save the cost of the auditor and also save the time consuming from the side of auditor. In less cost, they provide better results and didn't consume much and more time. Third, the reliability of the client software can be tested. Actually, CART is used by the auditor to examine the whether the information system of clients is in a proper working condition or not. So in CIS environment, when an auditor use the CARTs to analyze the working of client's software, then he enabled to check whether it is in a proper condition or in a hurdle condition. Fourth, the task that auditors would spend hours on can be done with computers in a less time. As a result, the auditor can focus on more important aspects. Besides, it also decreases the human level of error. CART helps the auditor to save time, and the saved time an auditor can devote it on the other important area to perform their audit assignment effectively. Fifth, data analysis is done independently without dependence on the client. Actually, CARTs are the computer reading programs. They don't require the help of some human being or other person to analyze the client's information. When auditor just put the CART in the client's system, they will automatically run and find the information required among the information contained by the client's business books of accounts. Sixth point, the comparison of human intensive and computer intensive approach shows that human intensive approach are more costly in the audit. The large data sets have to be sorted, verified, analyzed, and reported by the audit team. This expenses approach frees up the extensive and expensive human capital to focus on the opinion and judgment side of the audit. So, use of CART is very much beneficial in comparison to the human being use. So, these are the advantages of CAST. But everything which has advantages, some disadvantages are also there. So same in the case of CARTs, some disadvantages are there. That is, some shortcomings or disadvantages of CASTs is as follows. The first time setting up automated system in a cost intensive and time incentive venture for the auditor and clients. Actually, in CIS environment, when the first time client uses the computer or auditor uses the CARTs or other techniques to do the audit in CIS environment, then in the first time it will be expensive, means high cost, and also take time to run the computer system or to run the CART tools. So this is the shortcoming of CART tools, that when they are used first time by the auditor, they will consume time, they will consume high cost. Second, knowledge of information technology and computer is necessary for audit staff working on cards. So, it requires training of the staff about the application of information technology whenever needed. If the staff is not competent or not competent in proper manner to cope up with the audit assignment under a CIS environment due to the lack of knowledge of computer system of information technology, then it will be very much difficult to perform audit assignment effectively by the auditor. An auditor cannot get the help from his staff also because they are not well coped up with the information technology knowledge, and so there should be some training programs for the staff. Third, as mentioned earlier, live test data can interrupt the normal operation cycle. The interruption can be controlled with an integrated test facility, but this sophisticated procedure is very costly. So when the auditor is use card technique at the time of live test data, then they make the hurdle in operational cycle. Fourth, the whole system must be revamped whenever a new technology is introduced, which is yet another costly procedure. As we just discussed in first point, that first time applicability of CIS environment or use of card by the auditor will make a huge cost or time consuming. So the same point is here. The whole system must be revamped whenever a new technology is introduced. Point 5, customizing the audit system with the procedure and system of the client also requires resources and time. Yes, very much right. Customizing the audit system in parallel of procedures and system of the client is a time consuming process, because to make familiar with the client system is not a easy task. Point 6, designing computer assisted audit techniques for effective testing and reporting without system documentation is difficult. Yes, it is very much right to design a CAST technique for effective testing and reporting. Let's we discuss some examples of CART tools that is prevailing in the market and used by the auditor for his audit assignment. CART is a computer assisted audit technique which refers to using software tools to perform audit tasks. Software tools means computer written programs. Many different CART tools are available, each with its own features and functions. So let me discuss some examples of CART tools. The first is IDEA, that is interactive data extraction and analysis. What is this? This is a tool that can be used for data extraction, data analysis and data visualization. It can import data from various sources including Excel, Access and text files. So this is a tool, that is IDEA, that help the auditor to extract or import the data for audit purpose, because data is the main thing on which the audit is depend. So this is a type which of data CART tool that help a great for the auditor in his audit assignment. Second is ACL, audit command language. What is this? A software that can help auditor analyze and validate large volume of data from different sources such as database and spreadsheets. Suppose a client business have the various type of spreadsheets and a large number of data, then a auditor may be in the hurdle to analyze a large number of data in a proper time. So at this time, ACL assures the analysis and validation of large number of data from the different sources maintained by the client business. Third, teammate analytics. It is a tool that provides auditors with various functions for data analysis. It includes data sampling, stratification, and cross-tabulation. It can also help to detect anomalies and fraud. So, teammate analytics helps the auditor for analysis, sampling, stratification, and cross-tabulation of large number of data maintained by the client business. Fourth is Data Watch Monarch. Data Watch Monarch. It is a tool that allow auditor to extract data from various sources, including PDF files, spreadsheets, and databases. It can also transform the data into different format and create report. Actually, Data Watch Monarch is somehow like teammate analytics. Both the same tool import or extract data from the various data source, spreadsheets, database. In Monarch, addition of PDF file is extra, and Data Watch Monarch can also transform the data into different formats and create reports. Next is SAP Audit Management. A software. It is a software solution that can help auditor manage the entire audit process, including risk assessment, audit planning, audit execution, and the reporting. It is designed for auditors who work with SAP system. The auditor who are working with SAP system, they can use this type of tool, that is SAP Audit Management. This is very important tool that provide the great help towards the whole audit procedure. Whether it is a extraction of data, measurement of risk assessment degree, planning the audit, execution of audit, and reporting it. Next is Pentana Audit. This is a tool that provides auditor with various features for managing audit workflows, including risk assessment, planning, execution, reporting. It can also be used for compliance monitoring and control testing. Actually, 5th point and 6th point, SAP Audit Management and Pentana Audit Management somehow same, but difference is what? Pentana Audit can also be used for compliance monitoring and control testing, whereas SAP Audit Management provide the help in various aspects of our audit assignment, but comparison or monitoring and control testing is not there. So these 6 are the main CART tools that used by the auditor in present scenario. The auditor can use one of them, 2 of them, or as required by the auditor on the basis of nature and size of the business. Next, let me talk about factors or elements influence auditors' use of CART's advances in accounting. So use of cards by auditor influenced by the various factors. The first is, one of the primary factor is the complexity of accounting system. The more intricate it is, the likelier the auditor will employ cards. Second, this preference arises from cards' capability to efficiently process large volume of data and pinpoint intricate relationship. Moreover, the size of the client plays a role. It is very important. Third, larger clients usually have more intricate accounting system and a higher number of transactions, which means there is a greater tendency to audit them using cards, because chances of fraud and error may be, their risk assessment degree may be high in this case. The nature of the client's business is crucial. Those in high risk sector such as financial services and healthcare are more frequently audited with card, because these sectors have high chances regarding frauds and errors and manipulations. Fifth point, corresponding the inherent risk of fraud or error in a client's operations or financial reporting can sway the auditor's decision to use cards. These techniques offer tools to recognize the delve into potential fraudulent activities or mistakes. So here, use of card advances affect accounting. The auditor's, sixth point, the auditor's own judgment also important. Impact the choice to use cards. They will weight in cost against the benefits, considering the specific context of the idea at the end. So the decision of auditor is very much important to use which type of cost in which type of audit assignment. Point 7. The ongoing advances in accounting technology have bolstered the effectiveness and user friendliness of card. As a result, there has been a surge in their adoption by the auditors. So these are the factors that influence auditors' use of cards advances in accounting. Many times auditor think that which type of card is using here for this type of audit assignment. So if we think about these factors, then we can easily make a decision that how much an auditor can choose the card technique for their audit assignment and how these factors affect the accounting. And for better audit performance, only the auditor is a person who can choose the better cards too, because the ongoing process of audit, the coping up with the audit process is only experienced by the auditor and their staff. So it is very important to an auditor that he have to choose a proper card tool for their audit work, and by the using card tool, he can or she can make their audit assignment very much effective. So this was all about card, their techniques, their advantages and disadvantages, and factors influencing auditors' use of card advances